Right, just about set up now. Really warm, isn't it? Yeah. Today they reckon it's going to be about 22 degrees centigrade, which ain't bad for me. I think that's a little bit above average for the time of the year. Hopefully it'll be nice over the next couple of days. So, but we're cheating today, just for lunch. We're going to have a Greg's and some homemade coffee. Yep. You like your Greg's, don't you? Yeah. Yeah, so we'll have that, and then we'll work that off with a walkabout. And we'll just see how the day takes us. Right, where we're at is a small caravan and motorhome site, so there's no electric hookup, but we don't mind that because we've got the solar panels on full charge at the moment, so we've got plenty of electric off the leisure batteries for tonight. So I'll have a walk around and have a look at the mound here at Fotheringhay. Chase can't wait to get out, can he?
Chase has left.
Really excited, and as always, close the gate. So this is what the castle looked like back in its day. It shows you what the buildings were like. And then another picture here. So having a look, there's the actual mound. And the area, I think in this direction over here is where Mary, Queen of Scots, got beheaded. Must have been a really sad day. And Richard III was also born at Fotheringhay in October 1452. And Mary, Queen of Scots, was held prisoner and then executed at Fotheringhay, February 1587. Right, let's have a walk up the mound, shall we? There we go, on top of the mound, and I'll say in front of us, where there used to be buildings, is where Mary, Queen of Scots was beheaded all those years ago. The stonework was actually taken away, and the Talbot Inn, the Talbot pub in Oundle, was made from the stone from here. So a little bit of history. And over here is the River Nene, and the very remains castle is down the bottom there, which we're going to have a look at in a bit. But there we go, there's the River Nene. Forgot my magnet this time. Should have done a bit of magnet fishing, shouldn't we? Not much of the castle remains, but here's a little bit. Yeah, apparently, so they say, King Richard III, youngest son of Richard, Duke of York, was born in this castle on October the 2nd, 1452. And it says this masonry from the castle keep was set up and protected by the Peterborough Archaeological Society. And also, it says here, in memory of Mary Stuart, Queen of Scots, beheaded in the Great Hall of Fotheringhay Castle, 8th February 1587. Yeah, I think I've got a plan. Should we go down to the pub? Yeah, we'll have a trip out to the Falcon Inn and maybe sit in the garden there. What do you reckon? Yeah. Sounds like a plan to me. Ah, we found it. The Fotheringhay waterhole. This is the falcon.
There's a dog in here, so.
Yeah, it is dog friendly, I think. Quite nice. I made it to the falcon. Archer's and lemonade.
Lemonade, yeah.
Archer's lemonade, one little bit of ice, and a pint of the essential. Nice pint of Guinness as well. That'll go down nicely. And he's panting a little bit, so we'll brought his water with him, so we'll give him some water in a second.
There's water there.
Right, cheers.
Cheers.
St Mary and All Saints Church. It's a fine church for such a small village. Obviously, in its day had its significance. Look at this. Walk up to the door of the church. Absolutely stunning. Had a nice day then?
We have, yes.
The sun's set now. It's been a warm day, hasn't it?
It's been lovely.
Yeah, it's been lovely. We've been out all day basically, haven't we?
Yeah.
And I think Chase is just about worn out now, isn't he?
Tired.
Yeah, I think he's a little bit tired now. But there we go, we're off grid. There's no electric apart from what's charged on the solar panel and the leisure batteries inside. And we'll go in later on and have ourselves a vino. Unless you want a vino outside here, do you? Yeah. Sounds like a plan to me. And that then should wrap things up for the night. But yeah, it's been a lovely day. This is Fotheringhay, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye.